10 of the biggest armies ever assembled in history, based on estimated troop numbers during specific battles or military campaigns. These include both ancient and modern examples. 1. Soviet Red Army, World War II, 1945. Troops: approximately 12,500,000 active soldiers. Context: at the height of World War II, the USSR mobilized a massive military force. Notable event: Battle of Berlin. 2. Allied forces: Operation Overlord, D-Day, 1944. Troops: approximately 3 million, combined U.S., British, Canadian, and others. Context: largest amphibious invasion in history during World War II. Notable event: Normandy landings. 3. Axis powers: Operation Barbarossa, 1941. Troops: approximately 4 million, mainly German troops with some allies. Context: invasion of the Soviet Union by Nazi Germany. Notable event: Eastern Front opening, 4th Mongol Empire, 13th century under Genghis Khan troops. Approximately 1 million over the full campaign, not at once. Context: rapid expansion across Asia and into Europe. Notable event: invasion of Khwarezmia, Battle of Mohi. 5. Qing Dynasty, White Lotus Rebellion, 1996 to 1804. Troops: approximately 1 million, plus context: Imperial Chinese forces suppressed a large-scale peasant uprising. Notable event: prolonged war across central China. 6. Persian Empire, Second Persian invasion of Greece, 480 BCE. Troops: approximately 1 million, Herodotus claims up to 2.5 million, modern estimates vary. Context: led by Xerxes Juarez during the Greco-Persian Wars. Notable event: battles of Thermopylae and Salamis. 7th, Napoleonic France, invasion of Russia, 1812. Troops: approximately 600,000, Grande Armée. Context: Napoleon's ambitious but disastrous campaign in Russia. Notable event: Battle of Borodino, retreat from Moscow. 8. Ottoman Empire, siege of Vienna, 1529 and 1683. Troops: approximately 300,000, combined forces in both sieges. Context: attempts to capture Vienna and expand further into Europe. Notable event: Battle of Vienna, 1683. 9th. Union Army, American Civil War, 1861-1865.